Welcome back to my YouTube, guys. Day 2, which is same shit. You walked in my garage yesterday, you walked in my garage today. Anyways, this is what it's gonna be until I start racking the views more and more. I pulled 30 something views on last video, but yeah, I stopped for a year and a half, so what do I expect? Let's open the garage up. Little brother's out there waiting on me. But in the meantime, let's start this up. That's it. I just like to start it up. I barely drive it. I drive it like once a week, twice sometimes. Yeah, that's about it. Let me grab the garage opener from it. I'm headed to the Ford dealership to go pick up my work truck. And this is my little brother right here. Okay, so I guess he's letting me drive. Alright guys, so that's day 2, and then I won't be vlogging and driving until I get a stabilizer for my phone or I get a GoPro. So that's pretty much it. You guys have a good day, and like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think.